Good morning, everybody. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene. I'm giving you another preview of a home that I'm really excited about. It's called our Texas Pearl, one of our brand new in the lineup of classic homes that come from our factory out of Fort Worth, Texas. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, nearly 2,000 square feet, and wait till you get a look at this. Coming up the stairs onto the porch. And this porch walks all the way around. They've done the rails with the rebar framing, 2x4 framework, goes all the way around. Plenty of room for patio furniture. And that door goes into the kitchen area. Here she is, the Texas Pearl. Beautiful, beautiful new layout. You've got options available for you on exterior elevations, but you'll see the home comes complete with the little window awnings with a galvanized galvalume steel over the top, a good clean roof profile, and then this front porch is just really cool. I'm going to walk up here and kind of show you. It's a half wraparound with a dual entry. They've used the galvalume as an accent here in the front part. You've got an entry over here that comes into the living room, and then back over here that door comes off of the kitchen, which we'll take a look at here in a moment. I'll show you a front elevation so you can see what the front side of the home looks like. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous home. We're going to step inside. I'll show you some of the features there and look forward to hearing your response. Here at the front door, you've got a full glass pane with the mini blinds inside the door. And then when you come in, look how gorgeous this thing greets you. Big front living room. They've added new features into this home with the shiplap wall accent here. Then the entertainment center here. They did a really cool thing on the TV jacks. The TV jacks actually come down inside the wall and out behind the entertainment center. So when you hook up your TV, you don't have the cables and stuff hanging down. And then it opens around into this beautiful kitchen and dining area. Wonderful natural light. Dining area is large enough for a big oversized table. In this home, we've taken the carpets out, so this home's completely done with the solid surface flooring all the way through the home. You've got choices of that. The 2-inch mini blinds that are up in the windows, these are dual thermal pane windows. 2-inch mini blinds are standard. They've done the 4-inch crowns all the way through the home, along with a 6-inch baseboard trim that goes all the way through the home. Really, really nice. This is a really large front living room, by the way. Easily accommodates sectionals, sofas, love seats, recliners, and comes back around into what I think is one of the prettiest kitchens. It's done with a tray ceiling that has the beams put in. We've accented the tray with the same colors that go on the countertops. Lots of cabinets. These are the tall 42-inch cabinets. You'll notice the drawer over door feature, the big pot and pan drawers to the right of the range. Again, you've got the shiplap backsplash that goes all the way around, and all kinds of plugs for work area. Big triple farmhouse windows with the 3 drop-down pendants. The farm sink, stainless steel package is featured in this home. More cabinetry, more storage underneath the island. You've got outlets in both sides of the island, so you can use that for a workstation. There's the exit door that goes out to the front patio porch. Cool thing too is the kitchen is a little bit set back from the living area, but not separated. So you still have good connection there with the family room. I'm going to quick look off the laundry room. I love this. They put a little nook, a butler center, off of the kitchen. I really like the way they did the shelving with the plank and the galvanized pipe shelf racks. And then it comes back into a large laundry room, full-size washer and dryer hookups, overhead cabinets. To the left is your water heater compartment. Again, they did the full glass door. Kind of show you these blinds. I think I can. Oh, no, they're locked in place. But those blinds drop down all the way through. You've got the AC unit here, and then back around the corner, a cubby for the deep freeze. I just can't get enough of this kitchen. That backsplash is actually a special ordered product. They told me this morning it comes out of India. I like how they did the galvanized steel over the range hood. Gives it a really neat farm look. We'll come back down the hallway. The home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Here in the hallway is a study center, a little desk area, again with the shelving. And these are really nice size bedrooms, really big. Again, I really like the larger baseboards and the overhead vents. The ceiling height is nice too. It's an 8.5 foot tall ceiling. Full tape and texture finish through the entire home. A really, really nice sized guest bathroom done with china sinks. We used the antique brass fixtures in here. Single piece fiberglass tub shower and a transom window to bring some natural light in, complete with a 3-door linen cabinet. The elongated commodes, which, by the way, you can get the raised commode pedestal, the comfort fit and dual flush commodes. Bedroom number 2, also a really nice sized bedroom. Big tall ceilings, wire and brace for ceiling fan is standard. Open up the closet. Got a big, deep walk-in closet. I like that they put the trim and the crown molding baseboards even into the closet areas. Coming back into the master, you'll see how big and open and spacious this master is. Dual transom windows. Ceiling fans pre-installed. Those ceiling fans are really cool too. You'll notice that they don't have the little chains hanging down on them. They've eliminated those, so everything is on a rheostat switch, so you don't have to be pulling the chains. And then you've got 2 closets, a his and her closet here in the master. One on this side, goes way back in here. You can put 2 hanging rods in there if you wish. And the second closet here, big deep closet. I just love the space in here. So much room, so much space. And then get a load of this. You've got the dual sliding doors that go across the face of the entry into the master bathroom. Country style tub is the centerpiece of the bathroom, really shows off with those big windows at the back. Here at the vanity areas, you've got the dual raised sinks, drawer bank in between. It's flanked by a 3-door linen cabinet on both sides. So you've got a lot of storage here in the bathroom. Come back around, the commode is in its own water closet. And it has an additional 3-door linen cabinet inside. Just kind of get a view of that. And then this huge, big walk-in shower. Doesn't require a door on it. The ceiling or the height of the shower head is up where it needs to be. The ceramic tile goes full top to bottom all the way through this shower. They've just done a super job. Big wide pan in here. That goes all the way up. Guys, if you'd like some more information on our Texas Pearl, I'd be very happy to share that information with you. You can reach me at 325-480-2014 or email me at billw@oakcreekhomes.com. We're here in Abilene, Texas, provider of the Texas Pearl featured here in this video. Please check out the other videos that are available on my channel. I'm happy to answer any questions for you. Once again, this is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Happy to send out floor plans and any additional information for you. Give us a call.